Squids, welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be doing making QR codes in Java. Now, this is kind of simple, actually. I'm gonna say it's a beginner's tutorial. It's really not that hard. It's just like a couple of lines. Anyway, I lost my train of thought. Dang. Anyway, we're going to be doing scanning QR codes. Did I say that? Well, if I didn't, then there you go, I said it. Anyway, let's get started. So I have these three libraries. These are required. 2.1 is the updated version. This is something that contains, a package that's not included in the other releases. So you need to get this one, and this one, because this one has things that this one doesn't, and then this one has things that this one doesn't, and you need all of them. Or if there's some magical updated library, then use that. A lot of my tutorials, if you haven't realized, are kind of dated. Just a lot of my sources are dated as well, so oh well, something to live with. Anyways, I haven't had school in so long. It's been blizzarding out. Yeah. Anyway, that's a bit off topic, so let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do is do public void encrypt. We need to encrypt our QR code. Okay, what we're going to be using in this tutorial is Zxing, which you can make a GUI for it, which you can link to OpenCV, which you can use to capture with webcams, and you can push it through this library, but we're not going to be doing that in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be using a still image. This here is a QR code. And we're just going to be parsing that in and displaying text once we've read it. In later tutorials, I may make it so we implement OpenCV and we can like hold up a sign of a QR code and scan it, you know, but not in this tutorial. I can't imagine that's very difficult to do, but I don't know. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is output. Make our output and make our path file, our file path. If you're doing this with OpenCV and you're scanning the QR code via webcam, you do not need the file path. You just need to link it to your GUI with OpenCV. Okay, then we need our char set. I'm going to assume you know what a char set is, but if you don't, a char set is pretty much like you UTF-8. It tells you what ASCII values to use. We need to have a map called hint map. Hint map. This pretty much stores our bit matrix, which is literally a matrix of bits that we will put into our, which will read. Pretty much what bit matrix will do is it'll read the, no, hold on. Oh, that's what bit matrix does. Oh, shiz, I wasn't looking at it right. I'm sorry. I'm mixing up matrix to image writer with bit matrix. Now, what bit matrix will do is it will convert our output into something Zxing can read. So that's what it does. We need our hint map. Oh, and we need to import map. If you don't know what a hash map is, take AOA. It'll explain everything. Okay. Ooh, chai tea. And of course we need our width and our height of our image. Integer height. There we go. Now that we've done that, we can start actually coding our encryption. So like I said, we need to do a bit matrix, which will convert our output into something the Zxing can read. We're going to call it mat, or matrix, is equal to new multi-format. Ooh, I can actually control space on this computer. I wrote this on my laptop and tested it to make sure it would work, and I have it on my laptop, but the thing with my laptop is it's kind of, Eclipse is kind of broken there. And I can't do the control space trick. Okay. Alright. Next thing we need to do is simply just put in our data. So we need to do .encode. New string. Hold on, I want to look at something real quick. Yeah, okay, I'm doing this correctly. Absolutely correctly. New string. Output. That's not how you spell output. Output dot get bytes and charset. Okay. Charset, so our ASCII values. What's up here? Oh, I need more things in it. Ah, yes, I do. Yeah, okay. Barcode format. Alright, dot QR code. Dot QR code. Width and height. Okay, there we go. We have encrypted. Oh crap! What? Oh shiz. Oh, I'm doing something so wrong. Oh. Hold on. What seems to be the problem, sir? Oh, that's the problem. Okay. Silly me. Silly me. Sorry about my commentary when I'm coding. Once I'm in the zone, I'm in the zone. There's nothing you can do about it. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to actually encrypt it. We need to match this output, the file path and the output. We need to match this string with that barcode. And this is where we use the hash map. We will put string barcode. So if you imagine the hash map, you know, the key is the string, the value is the barcode. There you go. Alright. Matrix to image writer dot write to file, I believe. Same thing, I believe. Matrix. Okay. File path dot substring. Oh crud. File. Alright, this is just grunt work right here. File to. No, I'm saying file dot last index of. Doink. +1. Okay. And then here we just simply put in new file. New file. Fickle file. Okay, and then of course we need to throw the declaration. There we go, now we've encrypted it. You've encrypted a barcode. Now what we need to do is read it. Let me just look at it real quick. Yeah, okay, I know what's happening. Sorry. Sorry I'm a bit flustered today. I'm just flustered. No explanation wanted or needed. Alright, now we need to actually decrypt and display messages for our barcode. So public string decrypt. Okay. Alright, and then here we have similar inputs, but I'm just going to code and talk less. File string set. Okay, and map. Oh, right. We're going to return an empty string for now, just so we're not dealing with errors along the way. And let's get started coding. So the first thing we need to do is create a binary bitmap. If you've ever played around with OpenCV, you know what a binary bitmap is. A bitmap is literally just scanning through every pixel of your image. Or at least that's what I usually think of a bitmap is. That's probably not what a bitmap is, but that's what I believe a bitmap is, because that's what I use it for. Anyways, and a binary image is when you pretty much convert an image to black and white. It's different from thresholding. No, it isn't. It's not different from thresholding. It is thresholding. So you just threshold black and white, and you have threshold. So we need to create a binary bitmap. Bin bit is equal to new binary bitmap. Okay, and we need our binarizer. This is where we need all of these libraries with the binarizer. We need to create a new hybrid binarizer. New buffered image luminescence sort image io.read new Jesus file. Let's put it. Okay, now we've done that, we do this, and that's about it. So why don't we import image IO and run the declaration. Alright, now we need to get the result. Result. Okay, and here's where we're going to say, alright, the data we got from the encryption with the hash map and all, this is where we're going to use it. We're going to, oh, I think it was actually wrong with the hash map. Oh, that's what the map does. It's error handling. Lol. Okay, I believe the hash map is error handling, but I don't know. In retrospect, I don't actually know much about this, but I know I have to make a tutorial, I believe. Multi-format reader. Okay, and in here we're literally just going to have we're going to have I'm sorry, I'm doing this incorrectly. Alright. Dot decode file. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know.
You know what?
There's no school.
Sorry.
That's cool. We want that. Okay. And then we want to throw the declaration. Oh yeah, there's no school tomorrow. Yippee skippy. Alright, there we go. Now that we wrote our two methods that encrypt and decrypt, I'm going to go over what they do. Encryption literally says, alright, I'm going to turn what we have in a string and a file image into something ZXSync can read, and it could link to that particular barcode. And then this literally says, alright, we're going to convert it to a binary image, bitmap it, and then look at the results, decide which barcode our string matches, or no, which string our barcode matches, and we're going to return the result. Forgot to do results.getText. Alright, and that's what it does. Now all we need to do is literally just call things. So let's create our string, our output is equal to loaded QR code. Okay. And then we need to do string path. Alright, string path. Our path is going to be code.png. And of course our char set, string char set is equal to UTF-8. Okay. Alright, map is equal to new hash map. Alright, this is what I'm saying it's for error handling. You'll see what I mean. Map.put yeah, this is just error handling. I was wrong when I said it was linking the words to the thing. It is literally just a way to debug errors. It's going to be encode hint type error connection. Hint type error connection. Error correction level dot L. There you go. Oops, that was a control A. Okay. Alright, now what we're going to do is we are going to, so the first thing we need to do is do encrypt output path char set map 200 and 200. Okay, and we need to surround that with a try catch. Try multi-catches never works, so don't do that. Alright, now we just want to know no errors occurred. Okay, and then all we need to do is just slice out, decrypt path char set map. Okay. Add catch to remake the clause, and if we run this, we're most definitely going to get an error. I'm just feeling it in my bones. Loaded QR code. There we go. So we loaded the QR code. It worked successfully. What you can do is you can make it so it opens up an Amazon window, but I'm not going to do that. Look at all those beautiful imports. Could have really made this very efficient if... Okay, I don't like how there's so much of this. There we go. Oh. Well, never mind. Apparently it has to be like that. So, that is our code. I'm going to put a link to that code in the description. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, leave comment. Oh, I already said leave comments. Whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will be posting more tutorials later today on stacks, queues, probably hash maps and maps, and of course JMonkey game development. So yeah. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial, and adios.